Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Persian for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through a quiet street, maybe in Tehran, or a small, peaceful city. You hear Persian all around you. Soft, poetic, flowing. Someone smiles and speaks to you. And for a moment, you pause. Not because it's too hard, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next few minutes, you could learn simple Persian phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more respectful, more connected? Because Persian is not just a language, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a way of expressing warmth. And today, you take your first step. Let's begin. Section 1. Greetings. First, greetings. Start with salam. Salam. Hello. Salam. Simple, universal. Now something more polite. Salam. Hol shoma chetor ast? Hello. How are you? Hal shoma chetor ast? For casual situations, Holet chetore. How are you? Holet chetore. And a common reply, Khubam. I'm good. Khubam. Section 2. Saying thank you. Now, gratitude. Say, Mamnoon. Thank you. Mamnoon. Or more formal, Moteshakkeram. Thank you. Moteshakkeram. And to respond, Khahesh mikonam. You're welcome. Khahesh mikonam. Section 3. Yes and no. Keep it simple. Yes is bale, and no is na. Na. Bale. Na. Section 4. Being polite. Now imagine you need help. Start with bebachshid. Excuse me / sorry. Bebachshid. Use it to get attention or to apologize. And for requests, lotfan. Please. Lotfan. Short, respectful. Section 5. Introducing yourself. Now, introduce yourself. Say, Esme Manast. My name is Esme Manast. Or simply, Man Hastam. I am Man Hastam. And to say nice to meet you, Az oshnoi ba shoma khoshbakhtam. Nice to meet you. Az oshnoi ba shoma khoshbakhtam. Section 6. Asking questions. Now let's ask questions. Ingilisi sohbat mikonid? Do you speak English? Inglisi sohbat mikonid? If you're confused, in chist. What is this? In chist. And if you didn't understand, mitavonid tekrar konid? Can you repeat? Mitavonid tekrar konid? Section 7. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You see something you like. Say, In lotfan. This, please. In lotfan. Or In ra mikhaham. I want this. In ra mikhaham. And when you're done, Surat hisab lotfan. The bill, please. Surat-e Hisab, lotfan. Section 8. Saying goodbye. Now, saying goodbye. Khuda Hafiz. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz. More casual. Fe'lan. See you. Bye for now. Fe'lan. And just like that, you now have real Persian phrases. Not just words, but tools. Tools to connect, to explore, to experience. Because language is not about perfection. It's about showing up, trying, connecting. So next time, when someone speaks to you in Persian, don't hesitate. Smile and say salam, and your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.